Hello everyone, my name is Burangi Nikita and today's date is 10 September 2024 and today's topic is why we should grow more trees. In the more trees, we grow more trees because we need to more oxygens. In the today's world, the level of the carbon dioxide is and the rising the leading to global warming and also we can give us to products like the fruits, woods, flowers, etc to grow the more trees that are also and purify our air and our combat climate changes that are also and when we burn them or cut them down, all of that pollution gets released into the air. A recent study in the science that can be estimated that from the 2010 and 2015 global forest loss mm, with the result in the 3.2 to 4.2 billion of the phones that can be greenhouse gases and entering the atmosphere each year. In the two of the trees provided by housing to the billion of the species specializes that can be protects us from the disease to 15,000 percent of all the plants and the animals on the earth live in the rainforests. We now know that the almost 2 million of the species that can be worldwide are at the risk of the extension of the nearly double the number, and we had be estimated just 5 years ago. Then trees cool our streets and other 2023 was the hottest year on the records. In the 2024 looks set to be an even hotter. Trees through the cool the earth by the blocking sunlight and providing the shades. In the air, temperatures under the trees can be an to 25 degree cooler than the surrounding air. They can be also reduces the energy used for the cooling and heating. Fourth is and the trees can be protect against floods and that can be and water pollution. Trees aids the mind during the stressful times, and if we can be and continue to destroy the environment, we will be and the living in the very stressful conditions. In the trees that can be thoughts in the trees after the massive storms that can be pandemics floods, but the trees have a double effect on the society, climate fighting climate changes while the relieving the stress. In the trees that can be also need to plant more trees because the trees absorb the carbon dioxide from the air and release the pure oxygen. In the trees we can also use to provide and the mixture trees protect communities and against the flash floods and the slides is can be stabilizing and the absorbing the water. In the trees that are also and our main survival means that can be provides the more oxygen and blocking the sunlight and removing the heat from the atmosphere. In the trees that can be and providing the cooling in the streets and cities with the many substances that can be in the atmosphere. The storm water that can be picks up the many pollutants, dirt and the bacteria that can cause the threats to clean the writer in the many places. In the reasons that can be 13 reasons to the plant trees from the national Arbor Day, that can be foundation and the American forests global reliefs 2000. In the trees that can be conserved that the energy in the summer, and that also used to saves your money. In the properly planted trees can be and also out of your air conditioning costs by its on the 15 to 35%. In the trees reduces the amount of the radiated and reflected heat from the street. In the building block of the trees that can be also and the sidewalks. In the trees that can be conserves the energy in the winter, and trees can be an slow cold winter winds and can be cut your heating costs in the 10 to 20%. In the trees that can be also the trees helps the clean the air, and trees purchase the pure oxygen we need to be and creating or breathe, and remove the air pollution by lowering air temperatures uh, through the respiration, and by the retaining the particulates. In the trees that can be also and gives you a pure oxygen, and we can also trees are maintain your health problems, that can be also um, remove your uh, remove your health diseases, and that can be also provide you as a health benefit. That's all about the trees. Thank you.